Please stand by for an important announcement.
Commission Replicator is a collection of done-for-you affiliate bonus funnels that is a cloud-based application that eliminates the load on your site by remotely implementing powerful campaigns. In a nutshell, with the Commission Replicator, you will be able to create high-converting bonus page funnels that can be used to promote affiliate offers. Commission Replicator will easily allow you to quickly create high-converting bonus pages for any offer you want. With just a few details of your campaign and your affiliate link, you will instantly have fully optimized squeeze pages with quality bonuses, giving you a complete marketing package ready to go. Your profit potential will be greatly increased by leveraging the proven converting tools in a short period of time included in this tool to make you instant profits with little effort on your part, because of all the heavy lifting is handled by Commission Replicator. So let's get started. Now, since Commission Replicator is a cloud-based system, it requires a login using your email address and password. These credentials are sent to you after you purchase the product. Once you have logged in to the application, you will notice a feature-rich dashboard interface that has all the tools needed to conduct a successful campaign. Here are some of the main features and a brief demonstration of the tools contained within Commission Replicator. Voting box that gives software development a complete picture on what products are the most popular to promote and concentrate their tool development in those areas to enhance performance. The My Profile tab is where you fill in a few details for the pre-built sales funnel and your affiliate link to JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. This will allow you to implement instant campaigns to generate higher profits in less time with value-packed bonus pages that convert visitors into profits. The Bonus Builder app is hosted on premium servers, giving you the performance and speed to effectively deliver your campaigns. Done-for-you funnels consist of 10 packages of bonus pages, thank you pages, that have been effectively used to promote some of the highest converting offers from JVZoo and Warrior Plus in recent months. Conversion tools are professionally designed bonus pages, some which have review videos, demo videos, which are top converting elements from each product sales page. A fully customizable timer is used to increase sales with scarcity. Email swipes contain spam clear email templates that will get your message delivered every time. There is a comprehensive list of email style templates that are proven conversion powerhouses, making the email process a snap to implement and increase your profits to new heights. You will be quite impressed with the variety of email templates that are available on this platform. And if that's not enough, there is an email swipe number 2 that even gives you more options to choose from. This is truly an ultimate tool for this year. Comprehensive training is also included, covering all the subject areas that will quickly bring you up to speed on how to effectively use the software. Step-by-step, in-depth instructions are provided on everything from creating profitable campaigns to delivering bonuses on various affiliate platforms. Facebook integration is also explained, with details on how to apply them to your funnels. This concludes the review of Commission Replicator. Here are some of the good points. You don't need to be a technical expert to use this software. The interface is simple, intuitive, and user-friendly. You're able to save time by implementing the ready-made campaigns. There is a responsive technical support if you need additional help. 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied with the product. Very affordably priced. You get on this powerful app for under $30. I would pick this up today. The bad points. Well, I really can't identify any. I would only suggest upgrading to the OTO number 3 to take advantage of the automatic traffic flow. Autopilot content and sales funnel creation is all well and good, but there still remains the issue of getting quality traffic to your IM affiliate campaigns. If you've been struggling to create good quality affiliate campaigns and need a way to quickly get them out the door, then this is a tool for you. Grab it today while the price is still low. I'm offering some fantastic bonuses to complement the powerful commission replicator. These bonuses are tutorial videos that focuses on traffic generation and will give you the boost you need to launch Commission Replicator the right way. Bonus number 1, Smart Funnels Blueprint, will show you the proper way to set up sales funnels and how to avoid common mistakes. The 9th video set will get you on the right path and assist you in setting up your Commission Replicator funnels. Bonus number 2, List Building Catapult, is another 9-part video set that will guide you on the fundamentals of landing page creation and to reinforce the best methods to use in your Commission Replicator funnels. Bonus number 3, Productivity Launchpad. This is a 9-part video series that will guide you step by step on how to employ your mind map method, time management matrix, and how to schedule and create your to-do list, and many more nuggets to keep you on track in your Commission Replicator funnels. This is a must-have if you're going to be successful in Commission Replicator. Bonus number 4, WordPress on-page SEO video set, gives you the inside information on optimizing the most popular content delivery system in the world. Bonus number 5, how to create a profitable authority blog, gives you the boost that you need to create authority online and command an eager audience. Pick up your copy of Commission Replicator through our link today to get unlimited access to the 45 videos in the set. This is only available through our link. You will be glad that you did.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to pick up Commission Replicator through our link for the best bonus.